so I decided to get the half and half curry. And then you can get the, you can change the rice, the amount rice. And I got the 400 grams of rice, and it's free, so. So this is a curry for today. I guess that's the beef on this side, and that's the chicken. They're using like different spices. But yeah. Excited for this. Let's see. I'm liking this mix. It's like spicy. I think the red one is not as spicy as the blackish curry. And this is like more tomato based. And it's like so I just had curry for lunch. Sorry about the loud noise around me, but yeah, it was pretty good. As you probably saw, I got the half and half with beef and then chicken. And the black sauce was kind of spicy, and the red sauce, it was like a tomato-based curry. It was kind of sweet, but yeah. And the rice, I got an extra rice serving on mine, so it was a little bit more than usual. And the rice was kind of interesting because they used normal white rice, plus they used I think wheat. I think it was wheat, but yeah, it was pretty interesting. I guess they wanted to add a little different taste to it, but yeah, overall it was pretty tasty. So yeah, I kind of recommend it. It was like 900 yen, so it's not too expensive. I guess it's pretty normal for the pricing of lunch here in Japan, but yeah, overall it was good. I recommend it when you come here.